This pattern is called active feet. To set up for this pattern, keep your feet, knees, and hips all in line. When you rotate to one side, pivot on that opposite foot. If you rotate to the left, you're pivoting on the right foot, and that left foot stays flat and grounded down. Something common that you might see is the foot turns out. You might even find that the foot and the leg shifts over to the same side. You might even see that the toes curl up. We want to see if we can minimize all of those compensations. So line everything up. When you rotate to the left, keep that left foot flat and grounded, pivoting on the opposite foot. So when you rotate to the left, we pivot on the right foot. If you do the opposite and you go to the right foot stays grounded. So as you go back and forth, make sure the direction you're going to, that foot is grounded down and we're staying nice and balanced on each side that we rotate to. This is a very, very efficient pattern to create rotation in the ankles and the hips, creating some great mobility. This is a direction of mobility that a lot of people tend to lose as we live in our sedentary, technologically advanced world. So this is a great way to start re-educating those body parts which were designed to rotate, but they kind of lost their way along the lives that we lead.